Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. How to make the ultimate dragon fruit smoothie. Nutritional benefits plus easy recipe. If you're craving something refreshing, vibrant, and packed with health benefits, a dragon fruit smoothie might be exactly what you need. Known for its mild sweetness and tropical flair, dragon fruit has quickly become a favorite among smoothie lovers. It's not just about the flavor. This fruit is loaded with nutrients like antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast or a post-video boost, this smoothie is as delicious as it is nutritious. Let's dive into the reasons behind its growing popularity and how you can make your own. Nutritional benefits of dragon fruit. Dragon fruit isn't just a showstopper in the fruit aisle with its bright pink skin and specks of black seeds inside. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can do wonders for your health. Its light sweetness pairs perfectly in smoothies, but the real magic is what it offers beyond taste. Let's break down why dragon fruit deserves a spot in your next blend. Rich in antioxidants. Dragon fruit is loaded with antioxidants that help your body fight off free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage your cells. Over time, this damage can contribute to inflammation, aging, and even chronic diseases. The antioxidants in dragon fruit, like betalains, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds, work like a protective shield for your cells. Think of them as your body's cleanup crew, working behind the scenes to reduce oxidative stress. What's more, these antioxidants aren't just for longevity, they can also help give your skin a radiant glow and support your immune system. If you're looking for a natural boost, dragon fruit has you covered. Vitamin content overview. If you're trying to keep your immune system strong, who isn't? Dragon fruit's vitamin content is one of its standout qualities. Packed with vitamin C, it helps your body fend off infections and repair tissues more effectively. Just one serving provides a significant portion of your daily vitamin C needs. It's like giving your immune system a pep talk every time you take a bite. But that's not all. This fruit also has a small amount of B vitamins, like B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, and B3, niacin, each playing a role in energy production and supporting brain function. Combined, these vitamins make dragon fruit a solid choice for fueling your day and keeping you mentally sharp. Low calories, high fiber. For anyone focused on staying healthy or managing their weight, dragon fruit is a smart choice. It's naturally low in calories while being high in fiber, making it both light and filling. Fiber is crucial for keeping your digestion on track, and it also helps you feel full longer, so you're less likely to grab a less healthy snack later. A diet rich in fiber can also assist in maintaining steady blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for managing or preventing certain health conditions like type 2 diabetes. Plus, fiber is like your gut's best friend. It feeds the good bacteria and helps keep everything moving smoothly. Who wouldn't want that kind of balance in their diet? If you're building a smoothie, dragon fruit is an effortless way to add nutrients without tipping your calorie count over the edge. It's proof that healthy choices can look and taste amazing. Key ingredients for a dragon fruit smoothie. Building the perfect dragon fruit smoothie starts with choosing the freshest and most flavorful ingredients. Dragon fruit creates a naturally creamy base, but it's the combination of other elements that truly makes it shine. Whether you're going for a tropical twist or a protein-packed boost, the right mix of ingredients can take your smoothie from average to unforgettable. Here's what you need to know. Choosing the right type of dragon fruit. All dragon fruit is the same, and knowing the differences is key to achieving your desired flavor and texture. 3 main varieties are commonly available, each offering a unique taste and color profile. White dragon fruit. This variety has a white, speckled interior. It's the mildest in flavor, offering a lightly sweet and refreshing base. It's a great option if you plan to add bold ingredients like citrus or berries, as it doesn't overpower them. Red dragon fruit. With its vibrant magenta flesh, red dragon fruit has a sweeter, more intense flavor compared to the white variety. It also gives your smoothie a visually stunning, deep pink color that feels as good as it looks. Yellow dragon fruit. The sweetest of the three, yellow dragon fruit has a honey-like taste. Its flesh is white with tiny black seeds, and the sweetness can help you skip the need for additional sweeteners. Each type of dragon fruit brings something unique to the table. For a balanced smoothie, white dragon fruit is the most versatile. However, if you're all about bold colors and flavor, red or yellow varieties are worth experimenting with. Complementary ingredients. While dragon fruit is the star of the smoothie, pairing it with the right complementary ingredients enhances its flavor and texture. Here are a few must-have additions. Banana. For creaminess and natural sweetness, a ripe banana is unbeatable. It pairs beautifully with dragon fruit's mild flavor and adds thickness to your smoothie. Almond milk. Whether you're lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based options, almond milk provides a nutty undertone that complements dragon fruit's tropical taste. Other dairy alternatives like oat milk or coconut milk work just as well. Greek yogurt. Adding Greek yogurt boosts the protein content and gives your smoothie a creamy, tart edge. It's perfect for a post-video drink or an on-the-go breakfast. Tropical fruits. Mango, pineapple, or papaya can enhance the smoothie's tropical vibe. These fruits also bring extra vitamins and a touch of tanginess. Chia or flax seeds. For an added nutritional punch, seeds provide healthy fats, omega-3s, and fiber without altering the flavor. The key is balance. Pair sweet and tangy ingredients to highlight the natural flavors of dragon fruit without overwhelming its delicate taste. Sweetener options. Dragon fruit is lightly sweet on its own, but if you find your smoothie needs an extra touch, there are plenty of natural sweeteners to choose from. Avoid white sugar and opt for these healthier alternatives instead. Honey. A classic choice, honey's floral flavor pairs beautifully with dragon fruit. Just a teaspoon can enhance the smoothie without making it overly sweet. Agave syrup. If you prefer a more neutral sweetness, agave syrup blends smoothly into the drink and is lower on the glycemic index than regular sugar. Dates. Pitted dates are perfect for adding sweetness along with fiber. Blend them well with your ingredients to create a smooth texture. Maple syrup. A drizzle of pure maple syrup offers a slightly more robust sweetening option with a unique taste that complements tropical fruits. Pro tip. Taste your smoothie before adding any sweetener. Depending on your fruit choices, you may not need one at all. Sometimes, the natural sugars in banana, mango, or yellow dragon fruit are enough to satisfy your sweet tooth. By combining the right dragon fruit variety with complementary ingredients and sweeteners, you'll unlock the full potential of this vibrant smoothie. How to make a perfect dragon fruit smoothie. Crafting the ultimate dragon fruit smoothie isn't complicated, but getting the preparation and technique just right can make all the difference. This step-by-step guide will help you bring out the best flavors while achieving a creamy, balanced texture. Let's break it down. Preparation of ingredients. Every great smoothie starts with proper preparation, and dragon fruit is no exception. Dragon fruit may look exotic, but prepping it is surprisingly simple. Start by rinsing the fruit under cool water to remove any dirt or residue from its outer skin. This is especially important since the skin can sometimes harbor dust or debris from transport. Once clean, slice the fruit in half lengthwise. Inside, you'll find the flesh, which should be white or bright magenta, depending on the variety. Using a spoon, scoop out the soft flesh, and set it aside. Be sure to avoid the skin, as it's not edible. If you prefer pre-measured convenience, chop the flesh into small cubes and freeze them for later. A frozen dragon fruit base can create an even thicker smoothie. For other ingredients like bananas, mangoes, or pineapples, peel and chop them into manageable pieces. If you're working with fresh greens like spinach or kale, rinse them thoroughly to remove any grit. Don't forget to measure out your liquids, like almond milk or coconut water, and any add-ins like yogurt, chia seeds, or sweeteners. Prepping ahead makes the blending process quicker and more efficient. Blending process. The key to a creamy, well-mixed smoothie lies in the blending order. Always start by adding your liquids to the blender first. This helps the blades move easily and prevents ingredients from getting stuck at the bottom. Pour in your almond milk, coconut water, or any preferred liquid base. Next, add your frozen dragon fruit chunks or fresh cubes. Follow with soft ingredients like banana or mango, which add creaminess to the mix. If you're using yogurt, scoop it in at this stage for a protein boost. Finally, sprinkle in extras like chia seeds, flax seeds, or protein powder. Once everything is in the blender, start on a low speed to gently incorporate the ingredients. Gradually increase to high speed, blending for 30 to 60 seconds until you achieve a smooth, velvety texture. If visuals are your guide, look for consistent movement and no visible chunks swirling inside your blender. If using frozen fruit exclusively, you may need to stop and stir occasionally to ensure everything mixes evenly. Adjusting consistency and flavor. It's not uncommon for your smoothie to need a slight tweak after blending. Is it too thick? Add a splash of liquid, water, more almond milk, or orange juice can work depending on your flavor profile. Start with small amounts, about 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time, to avoid over-thinning. If your smoothie feels watery or thin, don't worry. You can fix it by adding a handful of frozen dragon fruit, a few ice cubes, or even extra banana to bring in more texture. Taste testing is essential. Is it too sweet for your liking? Add a squeeze of lime or lemon juice for a tangy contrast. Not sweet enough? Toss in half a pitted date, a drizzle of honey, or a bit of agave syrup and blend again. Remember, creating your perfect smoothie is all about flexibility. Adjusting consistency and flavor is like finding the sweet spot in a recipe. After some practice, you'll discover what works best for you. Enjoy the journey and don't be afraid to experiment. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.